Man, just because we're in Summerjam, right? I said I wasn't going to do this shit again after Glastonbury. But we're in Summerjam, fuck it, we're going to try it again.
They say this suddenly, and it's rain for all.
Wait!
But there are some people get never shine at all.
I am an African, fly here for Babylon, trial and tribulation, I shall overcome. I'm so blessed, guide and protect me, Holy Emmanuel. This light of mine, it came with the shadow. I'll never run my own down, so they can never represent my soul. I will be there for us, now and forevermore. Inside your eyes I see a perfect romance. Girl, I've been waiting for the perfect moment to give you all my love, give you love, love, and give Jah the thanks and praises. The thanks and praises. Hold on. Just a little gift for you guys, you understand, because we're in Summerjam.